The front collision system can help to avoid or to reduce injuries and damage from crashes. Forward collision alert and active emergency braking with front pedestrian protection are the main parts of the system. Let's see how it works. The front collision system uses the front camera sensors and, if equipped, radar sensors to detect vehicles, obstacles, or pedestrians ahead. When a vehicle is detected ahead, a green icon is displayed in the Driver Information Center. When a preceding vehicle is approached too fast, Forward Collision Alert warns the driver. The green icon changes to amber and a warning tone is sounded. Additionally, the collision alert symbol pops up in the Driver Information Center. When the system detects a potential front crash situation, active emergency braking can reduce the vehicle speed. The system works up to a speed of 80 km per hour. If the car is additionally equipped with radar sensors, it operates at all speeds. The sensitivity of Forward Collision Alert can be easily adjusted. Just press the distance setting button repeatedly to change between the high, medium, and low sensitivity setting. The pedestrian protection feature can also detect obstacles or pedestrians when driving between 8 and 80 km per hour. When a pedestrian is detected, an icon in the Driver Information Center appears. If the car approaches the pedestrian too fast, an additional warning chime is sounded. In case a collision is imminent and the brake pedal is not applied, the system may automatically brake the vehicle. Up to a speed of 40 km per hour, it can brake the car to a standstill. The electric parking brake is automatically activated to hold the vehicle at a stop. Forward Collision Alert with active emergency braking and pedestrian protection is activated per default each time the ignition is switched on. To configure the system, go to the Vehicle Settings menu in the infotainment display. Select Collision Detection Systems and tap on the features you want. To be fully active, to only warn you, or to be completely deactivated until the engine is switched off. You can always override the assistance system by depressing the brake pedal or the accelerator pedal. In certain driving situations, such as winding roads or limited visibility due to weather or road conditions, system limitations may apply. For more information, please refer to the owner's manual. Have a safe and relaxing drive.